Hey, it's Brian from RX Safety, and I'm here to show you the top 3 prescription safety glasses for woodworking. To start, we have the Q368 by Philips Safety. The Q368 is a wraparound frame that is lightweight and extremely durable. Like the other frames from our Q collection, the Q368 is made with TR90 nylon, ensuring impact and chemical resistance. These prescription safety glasses meet the ANSI Z87 Plus high impact protection. They are available in black with blue accents, and the adjustable nose pads and rubber temple arms ensure that your safety glasses stay securely on your face at all times. The Q368 is prescription available, so you can work comfortably at all times, which makes the Q368 one of our favorite safety glasses for woodworking. Another bestseller for woodworking is the T9603, also by Philips Safety. The T9603 is a plastic wraparound frame with integrated side shields. Also made from TR90 nylon, the T9603 assures durability while being lightweight and comfortable for all-day use. Plus, the T9603 has a removable silicone gasket, which gives you additional security against sawdust and other fly debris. The T9603 is also prescription available and ANSI Z87 Plus high impact approved, available in orange and black colors. Lastly, we're going to talk about the F10. The F10 is a sleek frame with prescription available. These safety glasses are made with TR90 nylon, and combined with their integrated side shield, can stand up to all the dust and debris that woodworking can throw at it. The F10 features rubberized temple bars and perforated silicone nose pads for extra comfort and security. They are also ANSI Z87 Plus high impact approved and come in 3 unique two-tone color options. As you can see, all 3 of these safety glasses are lightweight, durable, comfortable, and prescription available, which makes them great options for woodworking. To shop any of the woodworking safety glasses you've seen in this video, click on the links below or contact us at rxsafety.com.